do here. Pakistan in the box seat when it comes to this knockout match. Win and you go through to the semi-final.
This is not demanding by T20 standards. It's quite an acceptable chase, isn't it? But we saw earlier in the day with a pretty accomplished side in South Africa, they were asked to get 159, so 30 more runs, but when they started to lose wickets, it's very hard to come out on the surface, it seems, and make an instant impact, and that we saw from Bangladesh, because they got a very good start, but they just couldn't, once they started to lose wickets, could not maintain that momentum. So they'd be pretty disappointed. They have to strike early, and they have to strike often, and they have to strike against probably one of the best partnerships Pakistan have had in recent times.
It is, but the best partnership so far this tournament, just 16. Babar Azam is yet to fire this T20 World Cup. We know what a quality player he is. For some reason, he hasn't been able to get going. Mohamed Rizwan with a 49 against the Netherlands. I wonder what their approach will be, whether it's there to be hit, they'll look to target the boundary. I think you have to in the power play overs, especially when the fielders get set back after the first 6. The spinners can really come into their own, so I think it'll be a normal approach from a Pakistan point of view in the power play.
Sometimes I think the best way to find form is to play shots, try and find the middle of the bat. I mean, you can occupy the crease and you can work your way towards this, but you've got to make sure that if you use those deliveries early on and you don't go on and carry on, then you're putting pressure on those coming in. Taskin Ahmed has bowled well. He's got some genuine pace, got a good economy, but the economy has to be very, very good for Bangladesh now. The asking rate just 6.35 runs per over. Start without a countdown, so let's get it on, as they say. 128 runs for Pakistan to advance in this competition. 10 wickets or some restriction from Bangladesh, and they might go forward as well. So it's all to play for. One slip in place. They need things to happen to Bangladesh. They need this ball to do something kind for them. Don't need false starts. Just wonder what the batting coach for Pakistan has said to them.
Well, he was a pretty relaxed, positive, aggressive player. I think that's what he'll be bringing to the table. Is that sort of mindset for these players as well. I think they would have been buoyed by the last game against South Africa and the middle order, getting them out of trouble. Sometimes that can just help you as an opening pair to know that you have players coming in who have hit some form.
Yeah, Matthew Hayden, that I remember, would have gone after this with a very positive fashion. Anything that he could possibly hit, he would have hit hard, and that just said to the bowlers, you can't get me. You cannot do this today. Good carry, nice pace there.
Well, it's Taskin who's going to want to set the tone here for Bangladesh, and he generally has done in this tournament. He's picked up wickets, he's looked to be aggressive himself, an extra bit of bounce. They lift off this surface.
At their peak, these two players would make a mess of this run chase, but they're not at that peak at the moment. For some reason, they haven't found their best. What a moment that is. What a moment that could be in this game. Regulation.
There was a moment to give yourselves a bit of hope. He went for it, and it's down. He just overdived on it, did he?
I don't get that really. It's almost as if he did too much to take the catch. It was regulation, it really was. Just a little shuffle across to your right, that's yours. And here we go, top edge. And already they're going to profit by 6. Poor Tuscan.
And this hurts big time. The worst possible thing that could have happened here. Got to forget about what's just happened, and so has he. Concentrate on this next delivery.
And when you drop a catch like that, it's such an important occasion, you just signal to the groundsman to bring a shovel out. I just don't understand that. That's regulation. That's not a diving catch. Just move across to your right, your natural movement across there, and just pull it in. It's not a big edge. A genuine keeper's catch. He hasn't got close to holding on to it. It's a big mistake. Good start from Tuscan. It's 6 for nothing, but it could have been different.
Composure is what they need right now. Things haven't gone their way in this game. They haven't helped themselves either. Collapsed when it came to the second 10. The first inning. They have to find a way of getting themselves into this game. Razam takes 2 runs to 1,000 in T20s in 2022. They've shut up 44 runs away from 500. These are hugely crucial on this pitch.
Nazim Ahmed will be the bowler from the river end here at the Adelaide Oval, left arm spin. One of them's good, but that's what they need. The figure on the right, they need that 4 for 10 like performance. 4 for 20 would be fine to get them back in this match. An early strike.
One of 3 changes for Bangladesh today. Left arm spin preferred to Sharaful. Left arm quick on this surface where it does generally turn. I thought he might have taken the first over actually, but against the 2 right-handers, decent option in the power play.
Showing at the moment, Muhammad Rizwan having his troubles. Nice. Right. New ball, bottom hand. The keepers just absolutely love that. Strategically placed. There was a fumble, it was on. Repeat that if Bangladesh lose this match, Netherlands finish ahead of them on the points table. That's very, very good for the Netherlands in terms of what's coming up. Not so good for Bangladesh, maybe. They're highly ranked in the world, so they might have some sort of automatic qualification, but if not, they have to go through that process. That was a real crush for the Netherlands, which that is a real negative for Bangladesh. They haven't started well at all.
Well, a real upset earlier on. Netherlands getting over the line. against South Africa. India qualified, and this effectively becoming a knockout. India to come later on against Zimbabwe. So there's that confirmation there. Currently in fifth, Bangladesh. Net run rate.
Activity on the water most mornings. Beautiful sights. Been an impressive start from Crcket. Both batsmen having problems.
Through in the last game, 4 overs on the bounce. Really enjoyed being under the tutelage of Alan Donald. He's really stepped up, leading the charge in terms of this crop of young talent coming through from Bangladesh. Pace bowlers.
For today, and I've had some fun, shall we say. Adrian Holstock from South Africa, standing in his 48th, and at the other end is the very experienced Joel Wilson from the West Indies, of course, 43rd. And Langton Rosera is the third umpire, the TV umpire.
Allow for Babar is a chance to just get himself in, spend some time in the middle with a total that isn't too massive, settle in on that line of length, knowing that he can probably target other bowlers. He gets himself in. But you're right, Smithy, that man would have been lunging down the pitch and Hickey hitting him straight back over his head. Balance and timing. Straying ever so slightly in terms of line and length. Slightly fuller and cover his arm. Well, wait. Slightly in terms of line and length, slightly fuller and cover his arm. Gorgeous shot. Well weighted on it, right under his eyes. There's a well balanced cricket shot.
Maintain the slip. They've got to keep attacking Bangladesh. They've got to get wickets here. It's their only option. Should have had one. They played the first 10 overs very well, Bangladesh. They put themselves into a situation where they could launch, but they weren't able to launch, and then of course they needed a perfect start really. With such a small total, and they didn't get it. Regulation. Nicely done, and it's followed through from Crcket. Sometimes you can you can look at dismissals and try and analyse on the eyes. It's 15 for none after 3. What I mean by that, with the wicketkeeper, you can look at his eyes and see where his eye line was, because it didn't appear as if he was comfortable catching it. But of course he's got the dark glasses on, so you can't see where the eye line exactly was. Sometimes the most basic thing about dropping a basic catch is you don't look at the ball. So, I mean, that's so catchable. You catch those 100 out of 100 in the morning when you're warming up. I guess it's back to the nerves, the occasion, the importance. It's poor. Something to make up for it, should keep. Neat. The wicket here as he brings himself into the attack, bowling fourth over. Hugely experienced man. Might have his dander up too.
Yep. Crcket. Attacking. Very accomplished players in spin. Obviously to get a lot of turn at the moment. If you can get a couple to grip, I know it's a relatively new ball, but on this surface, slow it up a touch. There is something in it.